Imagine this, your newborn baby, not just entering the world with your love, but with a $1,000 head start on their financial journey. That's the promise behind Trump Accounts, a bold new initiative designed to help every American child begin life with a real shot at their dreams. Let's break it down. From day one, the government invests $1,000 into a tax-deferred account for each eligible child. That seed isn't just money, it's opportunity. Over the years, that account grows and compounds, giving your child a stronger foundation for education, a first home, or even their own business someday. It's a launchpad for whatever path they choose. But it doesn't stop there. Family, friends, even future employers can add to this account, making it a collective effort to build a brighter future. Imagine birthdays and holidays, where gifts contribute to something that lasts a lifetime. And when your child turns 18, they can use a portion of these funds for college, job training, or starting out in life. By 25, they have even more freedom. And by 30, it's all theirs, to use as they see fit. Critics will ask, is $1,000 enough? Maybe not on its own, but it's a powerful start, and a statement that every child, no matter their background, deserves opportunity from the very beginning. Trump Accounts are about more than dollars and cents. They're about hope, empowerment, and making the American dream real for the next generation. So if you want your child to have more than just a wish for the future, if you want them to have a solid foundation, support the Trump Accounts initiative. Plant the seed today and watch your child's dreams grow. Learn more about enriching lives? Please like, share, and subscribe to support Feed the Poor Foundation's mission to enrich lives.